In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Trello boards to another workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to duplicate an existing board, choose where it lives, and control what comes along for the ride, all without disrupting your original board. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Trello and that you have permission to create boards in the destination workspace. Start by opening Trello in your browser or the desktop app. From the main screen, head to the Boards view. This is the quickest way to see everything you have access to, grouped by workspace. Find the board you want to copy. Maybe it's a sample board or a template you use often, and open it. Inside the board, look for the three dots menu for more options. It's usually near the board's title or in the top right corner. Click that and choose Copy Board. This opens the copy dialog where we'll set up the new version. First, give your new board a clear descriptive title. Type in a name that makes sense in its new context, something like Marketing Roadmap Copy or Q2 Planning. Client Workspace can save you time later and help teammates understand what it's for at a glance. Next, choose where this copy will live. Click the Workspace selector. This might show your current workspace name, and then pick the new workspace from the list. If you don't see it, double check that you're a member of that workspace or that you have the right permissions to create boards there. Selecting the correct destination now ensures your teammates in that workspace will be able to find and collaborate on the board immediately. Now let's set visibility. Click Change Board Visibility. You can make the board visible to the workspace so every member of that workspace can see it, or keep it private so only people you specifically invite will have access. I'm clicking Workspace to show you where that option lives, and then clicking Private so you can see that as well. Pick the level that matches your security and collaboration needs. If you're working with sensitive information or early drafts, Private is usually the safest choice. If it's a shared team board, Workspace visibility keeps things discoverable. You'll also see checkboxes to decide what to bring over with your copy. Turn on the checkboxes for the elements you want to include. For many teams, that means keeping cards and lists so the structure and work items come across. You might also keep labels for easy filtering, checklists to preserve task breakdowns, and members if the same people will be involved in the new workspace. Be mindful that when copying across workspaces, some items, like members who aren't in the destination workspace or certain power-ups, may not transfer exactly as they appear on the original. Choose only what you need to avoid clutter. If you see an Upgrade Workspace prompt, click Upgrade Workspace to review plan requirements. This usually appears when the visibility or features you've chosen require a higher tier plan in the destination workspace. You can compare options, then return to the copy dialog. If an upgrade isn't right for you, simply adjust visibility or feature selections so they fit your current plan. When everything looks good, your title, destination workspace, visibility, and checkboxes, click Create. Trello will build your copy in the workspace you selected. This usually takes just a moment. When the new board opens, take a quick pass to confirm that your lists, cards, labels, and any other options you selected are in place. Add or remove members as needed, and update any descriptions or due dates to reflect the board's new purpose. That's it. You've copied a Trello board to another workspace, set the right visibility, and chosen exactly what to include, all while leaving the original untouched. If this workflow helps, consider turning your source board into a template for even faster setup next time. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!